Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Knowledge Circle. I hope so till now you have subscribed my YouTube channel, and if not so then kindly don't forget to subscribe it. So friends, in our today's video we are going to discuss about the highest salary jobs or the top earning jobs. A good job ensures a good life. It becomes important for everyone to want a career that pays what they deserve. Everyone has a dream to earn more and more income. So let's start with it one by one. So our first business profession is that of investment banker. For someone who has opted for a commerce degree, one of the highest paying job in India and globally for you is that of an investment banker. This job requires you to help out clients with the right investment plans. Educational qualification to become an investment banker is a bachelor's degree in finance or economics or mathematics or business administration. Our next career option is commercial pilot. If you are someone who has always been passionate about flying, then this is the best career option for you. In addition to flying the aircraft, a commercial pilot is also responsible for all flight operations including pre-flight checks, complying with aviation regulation, operating the airplane safely and many more. Now let's see educational qualification. So apart from being physically fit and having cleared all medical examinations, candidates should have an undergraduate degree in preferably a science-based subject such as physics or mathematics. In addition to this, individuals must also have a commercial pilot license from a recognized institute and other licenses such as airline transport pilot licenses. The average base salary for a commercial pilot is currently over Rs 17 lakh per annum. You can pause the video and read in detail. Our next highest paying salary job is that of software architect. A booming career option in India that is a software architect is a development professional who designs, tests and manages software solutions for software systems. He works with high-level designing skills, codes, methodologies and processes to configure any software-related problems. For this, you basically need an undergraduate degree in computer science or a master's degree with some knowledge of operating systems such as HTML, JavaScript, C++ and others. The average salary for software architect is over Rs 22 lakh per annum with an entry-level salary starting generally at around Rs 9.7 lakh per annum. Our next highest salary paying profession is that of blockchain developer. Blockchain is the leading technology for the banking and finance sector. A blockchain developer is a professional expert who manages and handles the complete infrastructure of blockchain technology. He is also expected to be proficient with programming languages, security protocols, and crypto libraries. The basic educational qualification required for a blockchain developer is that a candidate having the BE, BTech degree in computer science or mathematics or statistics or information technology according to upgrade. A prior coding experience in popular languages like Java, JavaScript, C#, C++ and Python gets preference. The average base salary for a blockchain developer in India is over Rs 8 lakh per year. According to Upgrade, the growing demand for the profession has led to individuals earning up to Rs 45 lakhs. Our next highest salary profession is that of product manager. He is responsible for designing the roadmap for an entire product. A software product manager performs various duties such as assessing quality checks, deciding on customer base and handling the prospects. Solid communication and influential leadership skill act as an important tool. To be a product manager, you just need an undergraduate degree in computer science or previous experience as a manager. The average salary for a product manager is over Rs 17 lakh per annum while the base salary is around 9 lakh per annum. Further, the more the experience, the higher the salary. Another top paying job in the country as well as at global level is that of medical profession. It offers specialization in various fields such as dentistry, cardiology, gynecology, pediatrics, oncology, nursing, pharmacy, healthcare administrator and many more. To enter in the medical profession, you need a MBBS degree. The average salary for entrance is around 6 lakh per annum. For those with an experience of a decade or more, salary is up to 20 lakhs per annum. Our next highest salary profession is data scientist. This profession is in extensive demand not just in India but globally. A data scientist accumulates, analyzes and decrypts large amounts of data in an organization. The national average salary for a data scientist starts from 11 lakhs per annum. They can earn as high as 60 to 70 lakhs per annum. Our next highest salary paying job is that of CA, that is Chartered Accountant. As a CA, you will be looking after the budgeting, auditing and financial accounting of a company. You can find work with individuals, institutions, agencies, accountancy firms and consultancies. A basic educational qualification that you need to become a CA is a degree in commerce. Although students with science and arts background can also apply. However, it is mandatory to clear the foundation course from the Institute of Chartered Accountant of India. The attractive salaries for CA professionals in India is average to rupees 28 to 30 lakhs depending on the job type and firm. So friends, these were some of the high salary earning jobs. I hope so you find this information and video useful in your life. If you have any doubt regarding your studies, then please feel free to write in the comment section. And yes, kindly don't forget to like, subscribe and get notified for my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching the video.